FridgeCheck, how healthy are you? Oh! Am I eating enough vegetables? I think so. Good organic whole milk, real whole foods. Oh my goodness. What is going on here, people? Meat. I get some meat for you. Organic ground beef. How about some wild-caught smoked sockeye? And some yummy cheese. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there's some good stuff in here, not just vegetables. I mean, vegetables are good. Good quality eggs. Yes, people. FridgeCheck. Salmon oil supplementation. Oh, and some dessert. You gotta have some chocolate ganache mousse every once in a while, right? Grass-fed butter. Some Dijon. Yes. Some extra virgin olive oil. Let's go, people. Clean up your diet.